Welcome back. Now, it could be that you were splitting the profits of your product with a partner. Now, this is not an affiliate who is promoting your product, but this is an individual that you are sharing all of the profits as they come in. And to do that, you're going to go to your vendor tab, and you're then going to go to the JV Center. And what you are then going to do is you're going to set up a new contract. You'll then decide on what kind of partner contract you're going to set up. And you're going to see that you're going to be setting up a full JV contract. What you'll need to do is to select the offer. And in this case, we're going to select the offer that we just set up. What we now need to do is to write in the WarriorPlus username of the partner that we're going to be working with. So we're going to write that name here in this dialog box. We're then going to decide on how much of the revenue we're going to be sharing with this individual. So we're then going to use the drop-down box and determine what that percentage is going to be. You can choose a start date and then an end date. If you're going to set a maximum, you can set a maximum amount of earnings that the individual is going to earn before the contract ends. You can determine that the individual will only be sharing a certain number of sales also. And you are then going to give your contract a name. Now, because your partner will be operating with a different account, you'll need to give them access to be able to see customer data. If you turn this on, that partner, when there is a sale made, will be able to see the customer data. If you turn it off, they will not be able to see it. Once you've completed all of this information, you're then going to click Save Contract. What you'll then need to do is to verify the details of the contract, and once you do that, you'll then click Send Contract. You'll then click OK and then send the contract. Once you've sent the contract, you'll then see that it's a pending contract. That individual will then see an email stating that a contract has been submitted for their approval. That individual will go to their JV Center and they will see a pending contract. They will click to view the contract details and then they will accept the contract. They will then accept the contract. You will then come back to your contract, click on the contract details. That contract will then be considered active, so that you will have determined that a certain percentage of all of the revenue will be shared with the individual as it is earned. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.